Well, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Another beautiful day here in South Florida, November 12th. And I just went out and bought myself a new SD card. Yep. It was an example of how sometimes going to a brick and mortar establishment is just as good, if not better, than buying something online, because I got this SanDisk for $11.99, $12.83 or something like that with tax, and I thought that was a pretty good deal. Anyhow, this is just a general update vlog. I haven't
in 300 yards, turn right onto Southwest
gone ahead and done a vlog with the full-face helmet on in quite some time, and so I've got a lot of updates to talk about, frankly, as usual. But first off, I want to ask y'all in the community, motovlogging community, for some input, as specific as you can give me, would be nice, on half helmet setups.
Yards, enter the roundabout and take the second exit onto Southwest Community Boulevard.
Some feedback on
roundabout and take the second exit.
Some feedback on some half helmet setups for a GoPro, because I've got to,
after 300 yards,
make some changes.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
It's just too hot.
Southwest Community Boulevard.
It's just too hot for me to wear this full-face helmet.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
My GPS is being very energetic this morning. It's just too hot for me, and so I'm asking if y'all can, in the comments section of the video, give me a little bit of feedback on some specific information regarding half helmets, mics, covers, mic covers, attachment points, helmets, specific setups. I know that some of you do wear half helmets.
Go left in the roundabout after half a mile, third exit.
So I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get a half helmet and try to use that as much as possible year round, and set up a second camera perhaps, which I've been talking about for a while now. Go ahead, buddy. Oh, excuse me. So
after 300 yards, go left in the roundabout, third exit
onto
Southwest Gatling Boulevard.
Set up a second camera on the handlebars here, probably on this right hand
and take the third exit.
handlebar. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so we got some nutcases out, guys, so pardon me if I pause, because
Route recalculation.
it's just a simple mind thing.
Make a